When getting started with beekeeping, it's important to be familiar with proper protective gear and how to use it in order to minimize bee stings. In today's video, you're going to learn how to select proper beekeeping gear, how to tie a traditional veil, and how to light a bee smoker. Particular colors and textures trigger defensive behavior in bees. Predators such as bears and skunks have dark colors and fuzzy textures. So in order to minimize the risk of getting stung, we want to dress in loose-fitting, light-colored clothing, avoid dark colors and fuzzy textures, and make sure we cover any exposed hair. The type of gear you select will be dependent upon your level of comfort with bees, the weather conditions outside, and the activities you perform in the hive. Minimal gear may provide greater comfort on hot days and allow for easier manipulation of the hive, but may not provide as much protection from stings. Wearing gloves and boots provides additional protection of your hands and ankles. Wearing more coverage when harvesting honey may protect your clothes from the mess or stickiness of honey. Once you have selected appropriate beekeeping gear, it is important to know how to tie the bee veil to prevent stings to the neck or head. To tie the veil, bring the strings down and under your arms. Thread the strings through the ring in the front. And pull down. Wrap the strings around your body and tie off to the side in front rather than in the center. This prevents the strings from getting caught when moving hive boxes during inspection and accidentally untying the veil. A lit smoker is your most important piece of protective equipment. Smoke disrupts chemical signals called pheromones and encourages bees to fill up with honey, making it less likely for them to sting you. To begin lighting a smoker, place a lit paper towel in the bottom of the smoker. Next, place a roll of burlap near the top of the smoker and pump the bellow for a short time to get a slow burn started. Once you start to see a steady flow of smoke, you can push the fuel down into the smoker and increase airflow with the bellow. After a minute or so, you can close the lid of the smoker and occasionally pump the bellow to keep smoke flowing. Ideally, your smoker will stay lit for at least 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to inspect a hive or two.